Hi friends, in this particular video we will discuss the concept of adverse possession as mentioned in the Yajnavalkya Smriti. So what was that concept of adverse possession? When a person enjoys the property in front of an original owner for 20 years, original owner loses his authority, and if the other person extracts monetary benefit from the said property for 10 years, then in such case original owner loses all the right, title and interest, and his rights come to an end. So friend, if we see the concept of adverse possession as mentioned in Yajnavalkya Smriti, it is basically splitted up into two categories. Category number one, if the person enjoys the possession of a particular property in front of the eyes of the original owner for 20 years, in such case the original owner will not be able to claim his title. This is one. Number two, if a person not only has the possession but also extracts monetary benefits from that particular property for 10 years in front of the eyes of original owner, in such case also the original owner loses his claim. Friends, all of you are well aware that today we also have a concept of adverse possession in the Transfer of Property Act, which says that 12 years of adverse possession. So that 12 years concept is there in transfer of property. So if you can see that the concept of adverse possession also prevailed at that point of time in our ancient period. Now there is one more addition which is given, and that is the cases in which adverse possession cannot be claimed. And what is that? Let us see that. Cases in which concept of adverse possession not applicable: property of lunatic, property of minor, property of king, stridhan, property which is mortgaged, property of soldiers. So friend, if you see and if you analyze that the property of lunatic, the property of soldiers, stridhan, property which is mortgaged, in all those concepts there is no question of having adverse possession coming into the role. So friends, if you see that today we say that Transfer of Property Act came, which got the concept of adverse possession, truly speaking it is not so. The concept of adverse possession is already been in existence since ancient time, and that is why it has been there in the Yajnavalkya Smriti. Friends, in our next video we will discuss which are invalid contracts. Thank you.